tank over there. I'm gonna get up this hill. Xavier, did you get my friend request? Hope you did. Oh gosh, this thing's struggling to get here. Something's shooting at me. Oh gosh. You know what's about to happen, right? Dude, I can't see. Dang it, man! Shouldn't have rested. And he took my tank. As usual. You're taking it? Well then, let's get it back. Where's it come from? Where's it come from? Oh, there's the enemy right there. Yeah, I'll get him. Give me a second. Where'd he go? Where? Oh, where? Is that a jet out here? Xavier, come pick me up. Come pick me up. Pick me up. Alright. Here, stop. There's a heli up there. Crap. Tank! He got out. He got out. Oh crap. Oh crap. Amazing. Oh, another tank. Here, let me get out and use C4. What the heck? We're losing health. Let me get my USD bot. No, I don't have one. You better get out and clear it. Good to go. I'm gonna get my own tank.
Objective has been neutralized.
Dang it. Oh, whoa. Ah, I almost got out. He got that big thing on. Xavier. Xavier. Yes. What? Yeah. Yeah. Xavier left. Hello. What? Oh my goodness.
I've lost a jet in the air.
Oh crap. Willie Surfer. It's a jet. Ooh, I'm way off. Ah, I can't see. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh! Yeah, stay out of the tail. Ah! Holy crap. We
neutralized the objective.
Ha.
We have taken the objective.
We live
We've lost the objective.
Whoa.
Hey, Rob, guess what happened?
Oh, there you are. What happened?
I got kicked by the admin.
Are you kidding me?
I told you.
They don't like you. Well, can try to. Oh.
What in the fuck was that? Trooper?
Dude, I have 1 health.
Me too, 1%. Oh, and they're gonna get our helicopter too. Son of a bitch.
No, they're spawn raping us. No.
No, they're not. No, they're not.
Oh, I got hit markers on. I got hit markers on that pilot. Where's he at?
The objective has been
Where's that helicopter at, guys?
He's way over here on the hill.
Yep,
I'm hitting him.
I got a lock on it.
Where are you at?
Crash. Just crash.
Ooh, way off, dude. Holy crap. Oh, okay,
Take
so.
you to the fight.
Oh, don't let me in. Oh, hold on. Oh, there we go. Oh, no! What the? What the heck?
The objective has been
There we go. Get away. Let's go. There's a heli up
I
there.
gotta let this other guy in. Hold on. Not letting this other guy in.
Yeah, because it's only 2, right? Kill that heli! There's an enemy tank straight ahead.
Okay, I got it. I'm looking at everything.
Oh god, the heli's on to us.
Black and white.
Ah!
Hell, man! I'm down.
Jump!
Dude!
Dang it, man.
I don't know, my graphics are
I
looking
can't believe they
weird
kicked
right
you.
now.
That's just...
Yeah, stupid. Super stupid.
I'm gonna get the heli.
I need you to attack this objective.
I got a tank if you want to spawn on me. Whoa!
Objective has been neutralized. Okay. Attack this objective. I want you guys to attack this
Holy
objective.
crap.
I need you guys to attack this objective.
I always say it's so fucking late. Getting out. Sorry, getting out. Motherfucker now.
Oh crap.
Oh, yeah. I'm okay.
Oh, he's diving.
So
Oh.
I can reload. He thinks he can. Keep on him. Stay on him. Stay on him. Stay on him. Stay on him.
I don't have a heat seeker, all I have is a Shaw. Oh crap.
Turn it around, guys. Won't that fucking meet?
Ah, he
Farted
rose.
next to me. That's so gross. You just farted next to me. And that was so gross.
Okay.
My dog just.
Oh.
farted. I can taste it.
Ew. Dude, I think that's going. That's going. Watch it, watch it. Watch it. Oh, way too high. Nope. Yeah, too high. I need a resupply.
What?
Do you have a resupply thing?
Sniper, sniper, sniper.
Where? Where? Oh crap. Oh crap.
I don't.
Run! Holy crap!
Wake up! Told you.
No, that was a helicopter. Dude, I want to hit one with Shaw so bad, dude. Like, really, I do.
Huh?
Guess what I got?
They are.
A jet. I'm a jet. I'm a jet. Woo! I wonder who's the administration guy.
Yeah, I am killing him with a javelin, or at least trying to.
Wow.
Destroyed. Nice.
Die! I forgot to set my flares.
What you gotta do?
Ah!
Oh, he sees me.
Flares! Flares!
I gotta take my dog.
Oh god. Please help me. Mom! You're shooting at me!
I'll be back. I'll be back in here, guys.
Oh god! Pull up! Whew. Oh, that was jet ran on somebody. Whew. There's a jet open. Someone can come help me in the sky. Where'd that heli go? Oh, hold on. Let me blow that heli up before I get it. Oh, crap. I survived. I survived. Oh! What the heck? Shoot! What the heck happened over here?
Objective has been neutralized.
Crap. Whoa! I'm not the best jet flyer. Dang it. Shoot! Well, I have to eject.